everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on iTonga from the 14th to the 18th of July 2025 on Monday. Makhumalo finds out how close she came to blindly sleeping with the enemy. A near fatal attack brings Ayanda and Lungelo's closer. Rivalry brews at the Magwaza construction site, and a surprising promotion puts one Lala brother in the center of a storm on Tuesday. Ayanda's heart wavers as she shares a secret kiss with Lungelo. Zama blood profit from the poor, but Mbali won't let corruption slide, while Bablo plans revenge on Wednesday. Ayanda and Lungelo's secret affair makes the pressure to keep it hidden harder. Zama's attempt to cover up her feeding scheme scandal crumbles. How dirty is she willing to fight for it? There is a battle for power at the Magwaza construction, and Letsogutle is the man to throw under the bus on Thursday. Zama loses it when she learns she has not been shortlisted for the tender, which shatters Sanele's world. Letogutle's attempt to make peace with his brother fails, and Lungelo and Ayanda are caught red-handed on Friday. Sanele finds himself caught in a love triangle from hell, while Ayanda and Lungelo have fun outsmarting the adults. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.